Okay, this is Monster featuring M&M.
Yeah.
Milk,
M&M?
chocolate chip.
Yay. I'll try that.
The original pink sugar.
Pink sugar.
What is
Pink sugar. It looks like an apple pie.
No.
Let's see. Can I smell it?
It says
Ew, look at your nose there.
You can eat it.
vanilla.
Try there.
Whoa. Whoa. I don't know. Vanilla crumb.
Oh yeah, vanilla crumble.
Keep that in. Bro, this is, it's not live. Like, y'all are so stupid.
Churro.
Churro? Okay. And then what's your cake?
The
Oreo.
Whoa. How do I open this?
I set the Jimmy cream.
Cookies and cream, tres leches.
That's leche. We don't have a spoon though.
Yeah, we don't have a spoon.
First one. Churro.
Free booze.
No, we're not doing the booms.
You know what it tastes like? It tastes like Dunkaroos.
It tastes like cereal.
I love
Like cinnamon toast crunch.
What's this one?
that one's mid.
Is it regular cookie? Where's this one?
Do the ASMR crunch.
Boom or doom.
Ew.
5 bakes.
Yeah, that one's whatever.
Crazy.
Yo, Huey, too much. Creme brulee.
Can you smell that?
Creme brulee?
That's creme brulee?
No.
It looks like apple pie.
Vanilla. I don't. Why is this hard? Like, I'm supposed to break this.
It's hard? Oh no. This is just sugar cookie.
So what's going on?
There's too
Of
many
course you
hands.
can. Go ahead.
See how nice Timmy is.
Someone break the whiteboard.
The what? This one?
Yeah.
This one's good?
I can't. It's hard.
I don't like it.
Rate it. What is it? How many booms?
Bones?
I like this one.
Booms. How many booms?
I think you have to bite it. No, it's actually not that. If you like sugar cookie, like you know this
What
Pillsbury.
the heck? Ew, it's too thick. Someone bite it for me.
Bite it.
I'm not sure, is it because it's the
I like
mini
regular
one?
cookies.
It's not.
I like
It's
regular
not that good
cookie.
though.
It's not sweet?
Yeah.
It's sweet, I think. Yeah.
Not yo.
Yeah, because you don't get a lot.
I like regular
Creme
cookies.
brulee?
It's not.
It's not.
I want the pink one, but it looks undercooked.
It is. Well, like,
A
that's
burger.
how it's supposed to be.
Oh, what?
It's like Dunkaroos.
You're a Dunkaroo.
I wish I was.
You would dip yourself, huh? I knew it. Ooh, it tastes like raw cake. I like that. Sugar cookie.
Rock cake?
Pretty good.
What's rock cake?
I think this is apple pie, no?
Is it apple?
don't
Ooh, I don't
taste
like the
apple.
icing though. Of this one. It tastes like
Sorry.
it tastes like Pepto Bismol.
This one?
I'm gonna eat this.
Oh my god.
Her Prada hat. Chill.
Why is everyone getting beat today?
Rate them, go. What the hell is this?
That's milk chocolate.
Clearly, number one is the one we finished. Okay, group vote. Raise your hand if you like the peanut butter one. That's the last one, to be honest, for me.
How many booms?
Okay,
This is 1,
that one's one. I want. Okay.
3,
What was there?
4,
The vanilla.
5.
The vanilla one has to be one. We all finished it. It's gone.
I think vanilla was my favorite.
To me, it's creme brulee.
We're done. Thank you.
Bye.
B-roll? No, because my vlogs are not aesthetic, so it doesn't even need B-roll. Today we're at, oh my god. Today we're at Impact Kitchen. I got water.
I got a matcha latte and a toast. Yeah, I'll give you a review later on, but
What's in your matcha? Regular milk?
oat milk and monk fruit sweetener. I have the palate of a child, so I definitely need more sugar in that. I'm gonna ask for more when we get her order.
Mine has
Matcha
honey,
review.
but the whole bottom is honey.
Yeah, that's
What
that's
is
the
it?
best part where it's gonna taste.
Out of 10. I'm gonna get copyrighted because
Five.
it's stupid music.
It just kind of tastes like water. I also did ask for oat milk, that's probably why it's a bit more watery. What do you give it out of 10?
I think I'd give it a 4. Because it tastes like water and milk.
Yeah,
And it's just green water and milk.
No, literally. I do appreciate how green it is though. Yeah.
Honestly, I was trying to get that one, but I think I said the wrong name.
Oh, maybe,
But
yeah.
it's okay. As long as it's avocado, I'm not sure. This is a toast or bagel?
It's a toast.
A toast?
Baby toast, yeah.
I heard a toast.
A toast. Cheers. It's good. I get this like almost every day. And the price is good for avocado toast. Like avocado toast are like $10 nowadays. This is only $6.50.
No tax right now.
Even better.
Keep the label. Keeping his glass.
Yeah.
This is the
Germ kick
germ
2.0.
because I'm sick every week.
Cheers. This is the only shot I do. I need the wine. How is it? Out of 10.
I feel like when they're going to instantly have to go to the bathroom.
Oh my gosh.
Ugh. Be the ball.
I don't know.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
could say.
Hopefully not
like-
say anything crazy.
No, that's good to know.
You gotta do the intro.
Hi guys, today we're opening Brilliant
Pokemon
Stars.
Not bad.
Oh.
Yep.
Yup.
Oh, she's getting. Oh, she's right into it.
Right into it.
Oh,
Wait.
here we go, Huey.
Commentary.
Unboxing.
What's going on, guys? We're back with another YouTube video. In today's video, we're gonna be opening Pokemon cards.
Yup.
I'm joined here today with Ivan and Carla. You know,
Oh, this one's cute.
Christine as well. Flip the camera to me.
Commentary, yes. Wait, you are the ones that are doing it.
Hold on, hold on.
Wait, we're not together. We're not together.
Wait, hold on, wait.
Okay, we're here with Christine and myself because I cut the
Christine, you know how
camera.
to open these? Oh.
No.
Oh.
Okay, now give me the camera because they're opening it already. Clean your camera. Yo,
Wait, I didn't even open this one yet. Chill.
Dude,
What do you mean chill?
Chill.
Wait, you should go there.
Four.
Over there.
Four.
Four.
Open
Open both halves.
Open both.
Open both.
You wanna watch the unboxing?
Yeah, we're doing Pokemon.
Yo, you need to get the black one.
Hey, watch your language. I don't want to bleep it
The
out.
colors matter.
What the?
What the?
What
is that?
Whoa!
No,
Wait.
wait.
Is that secret? Is that
No,
secret?
I don't think
It's
it
a
is.
black card. Oh my god, you need a black card.
V-Star. Don't know what that means, but I think it's
Very
a boom,
star.
guys. I think it's a boom. But
Wait,
I
it
gotta
doesn't
open both.
matter.
I hate this
Wait,
one.
no, the
I
black
always
one.
see this
Black
one, the
one is it.
energy
Black
one.
Oh.
Energy.
Wait, Huey. We have to wait for Huey.
Hold
Wait,
up,
why
I'm
does his card
struggling,
look different?
I'm struggling.
Y'all, like, you think I have bare footage?
Wait,
Like,
why
this
does yours look
ridiculous.
different?
Does that look different? 'Cause I'm-
We're already at 1 minute, and I paused it on accident. This is our commentary.
Oh gosh. I'm getting nervous. I don't know why.
No, it's okay.
Yo, Butterfingers.
Yo, real funny,
You ready?
dude.
Oh my, hurry
Oh,
up.
black
Okay,
one.
go.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
not again.
Four.
Oh shit, guys.
Oh, what's the?
Double V-Star? I think it's gonna be a boom.
Okay.
Boom.
Oh god.
Put it together. Put
Wait,
it
ready? Wait.
Put it together.
Yo, put it.
What the
Wait,
hell?
both together?
Are you guys doing a magic trick? Why does it look like a card
Wait.
trick?
Okay, guys, don't forget to hit that like button
Oh my god.
and
not
subscribe.
Oh my god, flip the damn card already, please.
Here we go.
Wait, this guy's just throwing it on the floor.
Wait, no. These are...
Bro, you gotta show the
Yo,
camera.
I don't know how to.
She's going so
Oh,
fast.
shit.
Yo, chill.
Where's your black card?
Oh
a
shit.
cute one.
That one is
Oh.
cute.
The black card. Shiny.
Wait,
Yo,
where's
I
mine?
got flip one. You want this one?
It might have been an ad.
Mine on the camera? Is mine on the
On the
camera?
next one.
Here we go. Drum roll, drum roll.
I'm on the next one. Nothing.
Damn it.
Damn, I'm not getting any.
Damn it.
I have people.
Okay, next one.
Oh, Farfetch. This one was cool.
Huey, they're going so fast.
Yo, there's too much stimulation. If I was watching this, like,
I don't even understand what's going on.
Oh.
oh, is that a boom?
That's just a baddie. That's just a baddie.
Oh. How many booms is
Yes.
that getting?
Wait, yours was that?
Say it, Ivan. Say it, Ivan.
Cynthia. What is that? That's glitchy.
What is that?
I don't know.
I'm gonna ignore.
Okay, sorry. Is that
Oh,
Pikachu?
fuck, sorry.
Okay, wait.
What the heck is a Pikachu?
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa,
Whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa.
I think it's gonna be a boom, guys. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Wait, 1. Boom! Boom!
How many booms?
5 big booms.
Yo, I'm gonna
Boom!
go home. Y'all are
Boom!
ridiculous.
Boom! How many was that?
3.
Boom!
Oh.
Boom!
What does that card mean? Is that
Okay, did we make our money back?
Okay, how many did you lost?
someone tell us in the comments how much it's cost so I can sell it?
Yo, comment section, make sure to spam boom in the comments.
Your footprint is crazy. Just boom over.
Oh god.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
So we got baddie and 2 animals. We got a baddie and 2
We got
animals.
2 big booms. 2 big booms.
Thanks for watching this
Okay,
segment.
guys, that's it for our Pokemon
you
Unpacked
should-
video.
Yup.
You should
I'm
see
Huey,
what
this is
Dolly
Irene
stuff we
Carla,
pulled.
and we're signing
Like,
out.
we pulled
Don't
probably
forget to
like
hit that
50
like button, hit that
or
subscribe.
$70, $100.
See ya!
Oh!